How to sell items in KlonDike Adventures. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing KlonDike Adventures and wondering how to sell items in the game, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the game on your device, and once you're inside this page, go ahead and open up inventory at the bottom right corner, this bag icon at the bottom right, tap on that. And then go ahead and select the item you would like to sell. Not every item is sellable. Select the item you want to sell and make sure it shows a pop-up like this. If it shows a pop-up like this, then it means the item is sellable. But if you press on any other item, it might not be sellable. Just select the number of item you want to sell by tapping the plus or the minus icon and tap on the sell button in green. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see the value that you'll receive, and the amount that you've received will be added on your account at the top right. Some items are more valuable than others, so don't sell rare items unless you really need the coins. You can sell multiple items one by one. For stackable items, some version allows selling several at once. So here's how you easily do it. After selling, your coin balance will update automatically. Now you can use these coins to buy new tools, animals, or expand your farm. So that is how selling items in KlonDike Adventure is super easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.